Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a simple and easy side dish recipe for you. It's made with Brussels sprouts and bacon, but it's not your usual Brussels sprout recipe that's slimy and squishy. No, they're nice and crisp and nutty. So let's get started and I'll show you how easy this side dish is to make. And this is what we're going to need to make our roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. We're going to need a pound of Brussels sprouts cut in half. We're going to need some salt and pepper. We're going to need the rendered bacon fat from cooking the 5 strips of bacon. Now we're going to take our prepared Brussels sprouts and just put them on the cookie sheet we cooked the bacon on. Then we're going to take our reserved bacon grease and put it on to the Brussels sprouts. Then we're going to take our mixed salt and pepper and sprinkle that on too. Then we're just going to use our hands to mix it up. You can use a spatula too, but I find it's just easier to use my hands. And then you want to turn all of the Brussels sprouts cut side down, and you want to arrange them so they're not touching because you don't want the pan overcrowded. If the pan's overcrowded and they're very close together, the steam when it's released will actually steam them instead of roasting them. And so we're going to put them in the oven to roast. And about halfway through, we're going to give them a little stir just so we can get all sides browned. Okay, and here's our Brussels sprouts all roasted up. They look nice and golden. Look at that caramelization on them. It looks so good. Now we just need to add our bacon and our Brussels sprouts will be ready. And that's how easy it is to make these oven roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. It's simple, it's easy, but it would work well for a side dish, for a holiday dinner, or just every day. And if you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.